almost absolutely, I have no background. Like I've invested years back, that also only because, my father or somebody would suggest something. Never really understanding what needs to go behind. My father used to do all the research stuff. I've never done it. And I never thought I could even get, what this is all about. Now, even now, I've not done all the homework and all fully, but at least I've got, you know, how you need to go about it. And actually, I intend to do the actual work in the coming days and really understand how to go about uh, seeing what is the value, and choosing to invest wisely. And your declarations, generally declarations are from nothing, right? But
Okay.
I can also see that along with the declarations, when you really follow the stuff that you have pointed at, the how to go about it, then it is possible to invest wisely. So that is my biggest takeaway. You can learn, anybody can learn, and uh, you know create wealth. So at my age, that is something completely new for me. So thanks a lot. I'm glad I attended.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi.